Beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. If today is the first time you're coming across this beautiful face, guys, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe. So on today's video, what I will be talking about is what I don't some people, if you're coming new here, you might not know what actually I'm talking about. Yes, so you're welcome. Just sit, relax and listen. Okay, so on today's video, this thing really bother me, like as in I lost my uncle that is like my dad. I lost him, and excuse me, and I'm not happy about it. Since I've cried, I'm supposed to give you an update about particular person I'm talking about. Is like a father to me, because my real father has passed on since for ages. Currently now is this man that is representing as my father, though he does not have much to take care of me, but only the cause he calls me alone is enough for me. Because he calls me alone is totally enough for me. That's why we should pray that we should not go to somewhere that does not have network. This network of a thing is a very bad thing. When you are in somewhere that does not have network, they will be calling you for something, either good thing or please go away from that place, something wants to happen, or go away from that place, or something we needed you, or something like that. But because of this network, they could not even get to me. They could not even reach me. My phone was switched off. People were calling me, Angel, what's up now, what happened now? They've not yet for me anything, like, understand. So they've been calling me since, and I didn't even know that he had an accident. I don't even know, because where I went to, there was no network at all. For those of you that is following me will know that no network. Before you look for network, you need to enter bike and pay transport to where you can get network. And it's not every time somebody you have cash in your hand, and it's especially this rainy period, everywhere dried. So they said they were calling me, I didn't even know. So I have this party. There's one particular bed that do come to my window where I went to my friend's place. This bed will come and be do cuckoo, 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 and be knocking at that place. Will make sure that I wake up from sleep. This bed is the one that will come and wake me for sleep. I say, which time I don't become bed, don't turn to friend to bed. I don't understand. This thing is sign. I was telling people that I always see this bed coming to knock on my window, doing cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. It will knock. If I open the curtain, it will flee away. If I close the curtain, it will knock and knock and knock for make sure for me to wake up from sleep. I said, this thing, I've heard this thing before. I've heard it from somebody's man that said somebody that went and do something that the person refused to go and pay the debt, the debt. Wait, something like all this shrine stuff. For those of you that will understand shrine stuff. Like if you go collect something for juju hand, then tomorrow you know remember to come collect, and they will send one thing, we go come dey give you sign, we go make you say time don reach, we come go pay us our thing. So I was confused, say who juju house when I go, where I know I don't go anywhere apart from God house, apart from people fellowship and all that is that you go. I get anybody. I was in my mind, I was not even happy. Like I dey contemplate, say wetin come cause this one. I don't hear this thing before. Wetin happen? Like I owe you debt. Sometimes I will open the court and say wetin happen? I hold on a debt, the blood of Jesus. Wetin happen? A bell rush, and maybe I don't talk to friends. So some people were telling me that it's sign, maybe it's good thing, like I didn't even know that my dad, as in my uncle, has passed on. That was the sign. When I came to the house, I was telling my mom, say I don't know when I become bed friend. See, while my mom was trying to tell me that the bed does not like where I am. The bed is trying to tell me that I should go home, that I've stayed there long. We're just laughing and say, I was telling my mom, because you miss me, I make it don dey talk this kind of talk that say the bed dey try to tell me make I go home. I never knew that actually the bed was telling me to go home, so that at least it's trying to tell me that my dad, my uncle has passed on, or that I should come home, because since there was no network there, maybe if I come they will call me. To be honest, as I just come, they called me on my phone. One of my cousin called me. I say, these people need a kakaraka, they call me like that. For them call me, I be something serious. So she called me and I said, auntie. She said, you there? Say, are they fine? She said, they've been calling my number since, and my number was not going. What happened? I said, I travel. They say, where I travel going network no, that's not be small network no dey the place when I go, where I go visit to. So just laughed about. She now said, did you hear what happened? I said, I didn't even hear what happened. So I was like thinking like she wants to tell me good news. So she now told me that your uncle died. I said, come Jesus Christ of Nazareth, my uncle died, as in but they didn't even tell me, they didn't even send me message. There's a difference of you're trying to call someone, the person's line is not going. What you need to do is to drop message on the person's phone. At least the few time where small network will come the person's phone, at least the person will see the message. I said, why didn't they even send send me message. I was angry to, as in why my uncle wife did not even come. She did not send me message. Why are they doing like this? They should have sent me message. At least if I go through, at least if the message enter my phone, I go know see this thing is serious. That why would they do like this? Now that he has passed on, I was like angry about it, that this man did not even eat my bread pie. My dad did not even eat my bread pie, and him that is representing as my father, that I'm thinking that he's going to eat my bread pie, does not even eat my bread pies again. I was angry, and I told her that I beg, this is not what I want to hear, because I just reach out before you call me this call, because I been at this call and make me with that bed they send. She can't, they laugh, say she were the one describing the bed. I say, and I saw the bed. She say she can't laugh. No, your papa they try to tell you saying don't go, make you come as I laughed about it, and I told her that I beg, this will not be play. Later and say I go call you back later. I didn't even call her up to 1 week. And I called her. Now the time baby say my mind don't come down, I won't call her. Say, auntie, I beg, that's will be the time. No verse. I said I supposed to call you the next day. I could not call you. Don't be offended. She said no, she's not angry about it. She now start explaining. Told me when they want to fix the bed, whether October or November. I don't know. So that should prepare though, and also okay, no wahala, but I'm angry about this. I was telling her that why would my uncle wife don't even come to this extent self where this thing don't happen. She refused to call me. If to call me to ask me for money, they will call me and be complaining in life. And one thing about in life, whatever thing a woman, sorry for this is my tripod that is sounding that sound, whatever thing in life a woman is doing, you should do something. If you did not do something, it will be hard for you. How can you be carrying all the responsibility and load and put on man? And this woman I'm talking about did not even give birth to any child for this man. You know, she not even give. She only went and packed all her cousins, her brother, her this, and the fool in the house. This man was the one catering for the children. And what they said when he got an accident, they even took him to come. And me, I don't even know. I'm angry about it totally. At least my small money said for enter inside. I'm angry about it that they put him in coma, say coma or oxygen they gave him oxygen what also I don't understand, because I don't understand those things are not things that I want to understand. So they put him in there, say he could not, say later on he regained himself, and because of out of the thinking that there is no food, he have to go and be hustling for his wife's children, his wife cousins, so that at least they will see food and eat. That's how he went and be catering, before we know he collapsed, he fainted, there is no way again, his breath cease. I saw this kind of things now they talk. And now to be honest, now be saying now when this thing don't happen, now that's when the woman's people came to carry her. They thank the Lord and no dey there. They thank their Lord and no dey there. That's when the woman people came to carry her. But when she was there, they did not even contribute. Say, this man is trying, let me contribute. There is no, see, this thing is a disgrace. How can you, a woman, you get married to a man? Your people say gari, half rice. They don't even bring contribute for your marriage. It's a disgrace. Now people are saying, she's too dirty. She's this, she's that. Say they've been giving papa money. Say papa will eat and go and feed the woman, feed all the children. Say sometimes say some of the people they are even angry not to be giving him money again. See talks they just from nowhere. When they bring out them, when they like they say, I saw the life day. So number one, I am angry. I'm angry about it. Despite I've shared it on this channel that despite what my uncle did to me, I know this man did not even come for me after my dad died. He did not even reason our matter. He don't even know whether my mama they exist or will they exist or will they eat or whatever. I've been saying it that God should help me, that I should remove that grudges in my mind, that whatever thing that will make me not to be assisting or giving him money to go away from me. And finally the thing has gone away from me, and now I'm trying to help him. When my number was going, he will call me, daughter, I am not feeling fine. No, daughter, I've not eaten. At least the small 5k, 6k, 7k, 10k, 2,000, 3,000. I try give him. At least they will use it and money. Sometimes we say he's not feeling fine, malaria and typhoid. I have to send him money like that. So I just happy say at least this man ate my money small. You get, but the problem is that I have that I'm not really happy about it. Is this man that will make us to be going to my dad's place? Is this man that will drag us? He has been the one calling us, and I no go come village, I no go do. And one particular of my cousin that do call me, I say if tomorrow God bless me, is that girl that I will remember, because that girl is indeed a sister, because she remember the good times that my dad did for her. But the rest of the people that my dad trained, they no even reason. Everybody are catering for themselves. And me, the kind life I get, I so much thank God for the kind life I get. I need a reason person. I don't want to say, because this person did not remember me, I have to carry grudges and the rest things. Because what I believe that they are also catering for themselves and their children and their family. Because the least a woman is married and she start giving birth, load don't come, husband will be dragging her here, have married you, the responsibility and everything. Now if you're a married woman, everything about your life is your husband, so nobody should come and drag you and say, you must come to the house. It's hard. So guys, I only came to say let me share you. I'm not really happy about it that this guy passed on. When they told me, I was like, I shout, I was crying. My mom was even holding me and telling me, Chai, this man where they try dragon and they go house, where they try dragon and go village, where they try do like this, they do like this. Ah, this man don't die, this, that. So I just take and say my own don't go. So the only person that will be representing as my father right now is my elder brother that will take my bride price. So anything about them has gone. Where are you from? I know where I'm from. What part you're from? I know where I'm from. Where is your village? I know. Your community? I know. Have you been there? I've been there. Do you know your relative? I know. But the problem is that deep closeness will not be there anymore. So anyway guys, if you watch the up to this extent, do well to subscribe and be a part of this family. This girl has a lot of things. This baby woman, not even girl, this baby lady has a lot of things to share on this channel. I have a lot of things that I've been through, things I've seen, something that I've heard. I'm going to be sharing it about my lifestyle, everything, everything about me. No pretense here. Bye guys, see you guys on my next video. Love you all. Do well to subscribe and be a partner and be a part of the family. We love you. I love you more. Bye bye.